With the rear bunk area, you've got the same couch basically as the front. It's a jackknife. It does the exact same thing. The only difference is it doesn't have the little footrests that come out. And when you're grabbing the belts, because they get shoved underneath, there's not as much room behind there. So the easiest way to get them to come back through is once you've pulled it out into that V shape, just reach your hand underneath there and then you can push the belts through. Now this top bunk does flip up, so it makes it easier to sit down here. So when you're traveling and you want to, all you have to do is fold it up, and then there's this little lock right here. So to take it back down, you're just going to undo the lock, make sure you're holding on to it, and then the bed will fold down and it sits on some rails. Now that's just a ladder that I made that can attach right here. So you've actually got two little straps right here, so there and there, that you're able to attach the ladder onto so that it doesn't slide when somebody's climbing up to get onto the top bunk. Now there are also two little cup holders. They just flip down right here and pop out. So there's a cup holder on this side, plus a light. You just push the center button. And the same thing on this bottom level. You got the cup holder here, and you've also got the light up there. Here it is with the ladder in place. You can see here the ladder actually has two positions. It's got 1 and 2. So this first one here is when the ladder is more vertical, and you can see there it lifts up. It does have little feet on the bottom so it doesn't scrape the floor as hard. And then whenever that bottom bed is out, then you can snap this one right here, which makes the ladder stick out a little bit farther, gives it a little bit more room so that the bottom bunk can lay flat and you can still climb up the ladder to get to the top bunk. And lastly, each bunk has its own little carrying case so that kids can put little things in there to hold on to them on both sides. So you can store your phones or whatever in there. And then each of them has a window, and all of the windows you just pull it and it'll go right up, and then you pull it right back down to close it.